Thanks for tuning into the WAB Sports Express. I'm Anthony Bacco. The Ohio Bobcats got another conference win this Saturday by defeating Miami in Oxford by a final score of 63-54. DJ Cooper led the team with 14 points, 4 rebounds, and 5 steals. John Smith also added 13 points and 7 boards. The Ohio Bobcats finished their regular season with an overall record of 24-7 and 11-5 in the conference and placing third in the MAC East. This win also clinches a bye to the quarterfinals of the MAC tournament for Ohio, which will be held March 7th through the 10th in Cleveland. In women's basketball action, the 8-seed Lady Bobcats punched their ticket to Cleveland with a 58-40 win over the 9th-seeded Kent State Golden Flashes on Saturday in the first round of the MAC tournament. Tanisha Benson was the leading scorer for Ohio with 14 points and also added a career high of 14 rebounds. With this win, the Lady Bobcats will now face off against the 3-seed Central Michigan Chippewas in the second round of the MAC tournament. Tip-off is scheduled 12 p.m. Wednesday at the Quicken Loans Arena. The Ohio Bobcats hosted the MAC Championship Sunday at the Convocation Center. Over the previous 7 years, only 2 Bobcats have individually taken home the MAC title. Ohio matched that total on Sunday. Redshirt senior Nick Purdue won the MAC title for the 174-pound weight class, and redshirt sophomore Jeremy Johnson also took home a MAC title in the heavyweight division. Jumping over to track and field, the Ohio track and field team traveled to Notre Dame for the Alex Wilson Invitational. Ohio sophomore runner Julia Curso ran the 5,000-meter event and set a course record of 15 minutes, 58.69 seconds. Not only did this time set a new Ohio school record, but it also broke the Mid-American Conference record as well. Curso moved up to 12th in the nation and is well on her way to qualifying for nationals. In high school boys basketball action, the Nelsonville York Buckeyes will face off against the Lucasville Valley Indians in the district semifinal in a 1-4 matchup on Monday at 7:15 in the Convocation Center. The winner of this game will play the winner of Portsmouth Piketon in the district final. This has been your WAB Sports Express. I'm Anthony Bacco.